Ahlan, Ahmad here. Let's talk about Ramadan. Ramadan is the ninth month of the Islamic lunar calendar. It is a month, not a day like some people think, and it falls on a lunar calendar. That's why it comes like 11 days earlier every year according to the Gregorian calendar. We fast from dawn to sunset during Ramadan. Some people think it's too hard. I can't stop eating, but how can I stop drinking? I don't know, but we actually look forward to it and we enjoy it. I also look forward to seeing you subscribe to the channel. How do we say Happy Ramadan? We just say كل سنة وانت طيب. كل سنة كل سنة وانت وانت طيب. كل سنة وانتي طيبة is how you say it to a woman, and كل سنة وانتو طيبين is how you say it to more than one person. This just means something like, I hope you stay a good person every year. So it's what we say to each other on yearly occasions. To this one, you can reply, وانت طيب, وانت طيب, and you stay good. But to say something more specific like Happy Ramadan, you can say Ramadan Mubarak. Literally blessed Ramadan. Ramadan Mubarak. Another common one is Ramadan Kareem. Ramadan Kareem. Ramadan is good. Ramadan Kareem. Or generous. Kareem means good or generous. To which you can respond Allahu Akram. Ramadan Kareem. Wallahu Akram. So it's like Ramadan is good and God is even better. Or Ramadan is generous and God is even more generous. Wallahu Akram. We also say other phrases such as ربنا يعود علينا الأيام بخير. May God keep the days recurring on a good note. ربنا يعود علينا الأيام بخير. Or more literally, the translation, I hope that God returns the days to us with goodness, if you want the exact literal translation. To wish someone a nice iftar, which is the Ramadan breakfast that we have at sunset, we use the Fusha phrase صوما مقبولا وإفطارا شهيا. صوما مقبولا وإفطارا شهيا. I pray that God accepts your fasting and I wish you a delicious breakfast. And that's all I have for you in this video. I made this video 3 years ago. I think it's a good video. Go ahead and watch it to learn more about Ramadan. And go to speakegyptianarabic.com to check out our classes. شكرا على المشاهدة. سلام.